Are you holding emotional tension in your back? Have you ever experienced persistent back pain without a clear physical cause? You might be surprised to learn that emotional tension could be playing a significant role. While it's easy to think of stress as just a mental burden, the truth is that our emotions can have very real, physical effects on the body, especially in areas like the neck, shoulders, and back. The back, particularly the upper and lower regions, is a common place where people store emotional stress. The upper back often holds tension related to emotional burdens, feelings of being unsupported, or carrying the weight of others' expectations. On the other hand, the lower back is more often associated with fear, financial stress, or feeling overwhelmed by life's responsibilities. When we experience strong emotions, whether it's anxiety, anger, sadness, or even excitement, our bodies respond. Muscles can tighten, breathing becomes shallow, and the nervous system can go into overdrive. If these emotional states are prolonged or unresolved, this muscle tension becomes chronic. Over time, this can lead to misalignment, fatigue, inflammation, and yes, pain. But how do you know if your back pain is emotionally driven? One sign is when the pain doesn't seem to correspond with any physical activity or injury. You might notice the pain gets worse during stressful times such as deadlines at work, relationship issues, or after an emotionally draining conversation. Another clue is if you've tried various physical treatments like massage, physical therapy, or chiropractic care with little or only temporary relief. Becoming aware of this connection is the first step to healing. The next is learning to manage and release the emotional tension. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, breath work, and progressive muscle relaxation can help bring awareness to your body and release stored tension. Journaling can also be a powerful way to express what you're holding in, helping you make sense of emotions that might be lingering under the surface. Physical practices such as yoga or gentle stretching not only improve flexibility, but also encourage you to connect emotionally with your body. Certain poses can even target the areas most commonly affected by emotional tension, offering both physical and emotional relief. Working with a therapist or counselor can also be beneficial in uncovering deeper emotional roots behind chronic pain. The body and mind are not separate. They work in unison. By paying attention to the messages your body is sending, especially through pain or discomfort, you can begin to understand the emotional patterns that might be holding you back, quite literally. So next time your back starts to ache, take a moment to pause. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? What might I be holding on to? You may find that the path to relief is not just physical, but deeply emotional too. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.